Can a shower screen change your espresso? Not the grinder, not the beans, just the shower screen. Today, I'm replacing the stock shower screen on my ECM Synchronika with a high diffusion version inspired by Pesado. This isn't the original part. The original isn't officially available in Russia, so I ordered a replica from AliExpress. The only visible difference between this version and the original is the absence of the Pesado logo.
Let's see if a small piece of steel can influence what ends up in the cup. Pesado 58.5 is an Australian brand that makes espresso accessories. The 58.5 refers to precision, and the high diffusion concept focuses on distributing water more evenly before it reaches the coffee puck. Traditional mesh shower screens aren't perfect. Water tends to travel through the mesh in random paths, which means every extraction can wet the coffee slightly differently. The high diffusion design aims to solve this. Its internal structure directs the water through defined channels, distributing it evenly across the entire coffee bed, from the center to the edges of the basket. The screen is made from 304 stainless steel. It's 3 millimeters thick and weighs 46 grams. Inside the disc, there are 18 machined water channels that extend all the way to the edge, giving a full 58 millimeter wetting diameter. Thanks to this design, the effective wetting diameter reaches the full 58 millimeters. The replacement procedure is quite simple. To remove the stock screen, you can carefully pry it out using a regular spoon. Then remove the internal diffuser, and we're ready to install the high diffusion screen. The E61 version includes a special dispersion plate. This plate replaces the original internal diffuser, and the new shower screen is then mounted onto it using the supplied screw. The high diffusion screen can be installed on almost any 58 millimeter home espresso machine built around the E61 group, including Rocket, ProTech, ECM, Lelit, and others. There's a good chance you may need to replace the group gasket with a slightly thicker one. Otherwise, the portafilter may not lock in as tightly, and you may have to rotate it further to secure it. I'm installing a 9 millimeter gasket.
With that, the E61 upgrade is straightforward, and visually, the result looks fantastic. With the new screen installed, the group depth is reduced by about 1.5 millimeters. Let's pull a shot. Same beans, same grind setting, same dose, same yield. Even wetting of the entire coffee pot helps eliminate typical flavor defects caused by over or under extracted areas.
Visually, the flow looks slightly more even and more controlled. The stream forms neatly in the center, and the extraction feels calmer. The difference is not dramatic. This is not a revolution. But espresso is built on small details. Grind size, temperature, pressure, puck preparation, and water distribution, all of these variables ultimately shape the most important thing, the taste. I would recommend this upgrade. Installing a high diffusion shower screen can be another small step toward your ideal espresso shot.